Apply for job. Apply for job. Do you have any experience in marketing? Do you have any experience in marketing? Thanks for taking time to meet us. Thanks for taking time to meet us. Thanks for your idea. Thanks for your idea. I'm sorry to phone so early in the morning. I'm sorry to phone so early in the morning. Have you got my aunt? Have you got my aunt? Is there anything else that you ask? Is there anything else that you ask? The main point of this meeting is for sale. The main point of this meeting is for sale. We need to discuss. We need to discuss. Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. What does your company do? What does your company do? I'm very busy on Monday. I'm very busy on Monday. What is your position in this company? What is your position in this company? The price is reasonable. The price is reasonable. Business talk. Business talk. I can handle it. I can handle it. Business is business. Business is business. Is there any particular business? Is there any particular business? I am falling behind my work. I am falling behind my work. He is a man of his words. He is a man of his words. When will you free? When will you free? I will be at work. I will be at work.